We must be having a retrograde thing because everything is slow. Okay, so I had to do all of this, and I'm like, where am I supposed to put all that information? Cause there's no room here to put that. So of course, I already emailed them once. I don't think that email went through because it was still in my drafts. But anyway, this is what I get: a replacement water tube and 20 enema nozzles, which is nice because let's go see. Let's go see. Finally, and if you have a business, make sure that everybody can read that. Well, this one's readable because it's nice bright colors. But the other 10 I tried to put in. ah, okay, let's go there. Okay, I think this is where we left off. What was I going to read? I don't remember. How much are the accessories? Sorry, I've got peanut shells on my tongue. Okay, we got that for $10.99. Is that just for one? One replacement water hose outlet and 20 replacement nozzles. Okay. Is regularly replace if needed. Store in cool, dry place. Of course. Tupperware. Is this one? Okay, this one. Okay, that's interesting. That's the part that goes up your butt. That's the water shooting out of it, up your butt. Okay, see, I feel good. I can go do this now. Just by looking at this right here. What am I going to put water in? I got a clean stew pot, crock pot, stock pot, whatever. Okay. Am I on this one? I guess so. It's not going to change? What is that? I should change and leave my cursor alone. There we go. Okay. I know. I should have gone to the website first. I'm sorry, traumanshop.com. I should have just went to here first. That'd be interesting. Okay. That's why. I thought so. Because some folks only have customer service by email, and I assumed that it might have been them folks, but I didn't want to assume and be wrong. I can't click on it? Are you kidding me? Good goobly goop. This is special. I put it in the wrong place, didn't I? Oh, Control A, Alt A, Control A, Control V, Enter. It doesn't go to an actual. I put it in the right place, right? Okay, Lord, protect me, because this is, be nice, Tasha, be nice. Interesting. Let me make myself happy again. Let's just go back to here. It's okay. That's okay. So it's, what time is it? It's 4:15. Let's see how long it takes them to respond. Not yet. Just go there then. How about that? Go there. And no, I didn't say the retrograde thing because it's a bad thing. I don't know why you people make so many things a bad thing. It's the freaking sun, moon, and stars. She knows way more than we know and we ever will know. It's a warning. Slow down. My internet's fine. Oh well, I'll just wait. Well, this sure is an interesting experience. Okay, so comparison. Comparison to what? Oh, stop hitting it, Tosh. Okay, now they're both just going and going and going. Oh well, things are better than before, so. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the book one more again, and hopefully it will tell me. I can, no offense to anybody's nationality, ever, ever, ever. That's not my mission in life. And yet I say, no wonder why these instructions don't make sense. Because sometimes it would pay to have a person that speaks all these different languages, not just English, to translate or write the book. I shouldn't. Oh, dang it! I missed it. Oh well, life goes on. We'll do that later. I shouldn't assume anything, yet that's the feeling I'm getting as to why this book makes no sense, and it doesn't go 1, 2, 3, like in the pictures. Again, I'm not trying to be offensive to anybody. That's not my purpose in life. My purpose in life is to be heard, and later you can understand me. But in the meantime, I need to understand you. So help me as clearly as possible. Excuse me. Now, see in the picture, this is a huge ass bowl. Look at that. This is the weight for it to stay in the water. Does it go left and right? No. Okay. Lubricate intestine wall, soften stool, promote intestinal peristalsis. Okay. All right. That's the end of the page. Okay. Well, at least I'm happy to see this, because on the 1 or 2 videos that I did see, because I put that in the YouTube before and couldn't find a channel. So I figured somebody probably got it under some other name that I'm not going to know and probably won't figure out this lifetime. So there we go. All right. Well,